Hi friend, this is Jake Boyd with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to talk to you today about this 2020 Jayco White Hawk 23 MRB. Walk you through some of the features, show you inside, show you some outside, really set it off. Really big, just to start off the bat, you have really big window right off the front. Really brings a lot of natural light inside, really brightens it up, and allows you to kind of stargaze from when you're in bed. You have a electric tongue hitch, 2 7-gallon tanks right off the bat. You also have a huge door with the thick walls here as well. Slam latches for your door, magnetic latches is there to hold it up in place, and there's an enormous amount of pass-through storage here. A lot of space in there. You also have lights that light up inside, as well as plug-ins for if you want to use the outdoor space as well. If you head down this way, as you notice, solid steps, so no bounce. Each leg can be adjusted independently. 0 bounce on these, really sturdy. It's a really nice feature on that. Really nice outdoor kitchen area. You have your pull-out grill. The grill top's just right in there. I like it when you have the grill instead of the 2 burners. Instead of replicating kind of indoor cooking outside, you actually get to grill, which is nice. You also have a pull-out sink, a little basin sink, outdoor fridge, as well as some handy stuff in there as well. A napkin holder and some switches and some plugs to anything you really need at hand. A nice little gooseneck on that too. A big roof ladder. You have your dog leash there as well. So all your features for your outdoor space can be very much used. So the indoor space, an enormous awning too. So the awning goes the entire length. You have a strip of LEDs underneath it as well, outdoor speakers. So the outdoor space can definitely be used. The nice thing about this is that this is a Murphy's bed unit. And with the Murphy's bed unit, so you have a 23-foot floor plan, and so you have your bed, which generally takes up about 8 feet of space in any unit. When you be able to fold it away and take it out of the space, you're gaining quite a bit of floor space, usable floor space for at night and during the day too. You have your jackknife and couch here. It's a really simple process to actually just turn this right into a bed. Now you see it, now you don't. You have your bed. You have some reading lights on either side, as well as your closet space, your hanging closet space, or your foldable closet space on either side as well. Plug-ins and lights are really handy and available. Really nice kind of L-shaped couch, kind of chase lounge here as well. This will be your table. You have a nice little setup for your dining in here, just pegs in. And the table can be really stable and sturdy here. You have a nice L peninsula for your countertop. Double basin stainless steel sink, full-size Furrion stove and oven, plus microwave. They do really nice work here on the touches too, so your interiors look really nice. Backsplash across the rear, big fridge, and skylight. So not only do you have the light coming in from the front window, side windows, you have the crossbreed across the bed. You also have your skylight and a ton of wraparound windows all around. So a lot of natural light gets in here, and it still feels really open. Now you have your L-shaped kind of chase lounge here, and that's facing your television. So you have your television. It's on an articulating arm, can fold out here and really accommodate wherever you want to watch it. You have an electric fireplace. That fireplace really kicks out a ton of heat. So if you don't really need to worry about your tanks freezing at all, that's going to do most of your heavy lifting for your heating. You have an enormous amount of pantry space. These are always deceptively deep. You can reach all the way in there, top and bottom as well. If you go into the bathroom, I like that they changed the kind of the motifs here. So you have dark wood in there and you have lighter wood in here, so it feels very much like 2 different spaces as well. And these closet spaces in here are enormous. Tons of closet space in here. So if you're looking for a trip for just a few days or even quite a bit longer, you can accommodate just an enormous amount of gear to take along with you. Nice solid booth for your shower. So you can actually brace yourself against the wall. You don't have to do too much kind of shower yoga in there as well. And you still have your little bubble up top to actually, if you're a little bit taller, to fit your head in and make sure you're not bumping around. If you have any questions about this rig or anything else we have on lot, drop on by and say hello or call me, 773-655-7190. And again, my name is Jake.